So I'm back again with the Flowers of Friendship punch and stamp set, and this time I want to show you ideas on once you've stamped your flowers and leaves, what you can do with it and the different ways you can colour it in. Just depends on your own style and what you've done. These are done very quickly, so excuse any roughness or whatever, but I can only work a limited time with my hand at the minute. It is much better, but it has helped me back a right wee bit. So we're going to start. We have stamped each of the flowers, the large and the small, and we've gone with the large leaf mostly. And this one has been stamped onto just ordinary plain white card. Stamped it, and then I've used the sponge daubers here, dipped into the ink. For this one I just went with the small pool party, and because when you're using the dauber you aren't as precise with your colouring, so I have, instead of punching, I've cut out right into the line because I didn't want to show any of the blue pool party coming on the outside, but that's entirely your choice. And you just simply start off dipping it in your ink, start in the centre and work your way out, and you'll see the colour gets lighter as it goes out, and it gives a lovely wee effect, and it's very, very quick. If you have a lot of flowers to colour in, it's a great easy colour. Next one I have stamped onto designer paper, and then I've embossed it with clear embossing powder, which is great as well. Just your ordinary memento and clear embossing powder, heat it up and punch your flower out, and there you have lovely different looking flowers. Do the same for your leaves. Stamped it onto designer paper, embossed it and punched it out. Very easy, and then it'll match in with all. If you buy Stampin' Up card and stuff, it'll all tone in lovely. Next one was coloured with water pencils, so I went with the watercolor paper, and I just simply used the, where is it? These blender pens. These are life-saving pens. You get a pack of 3, and I'm nearly sure they're still available. I got these when I first started, and I'm still using the first one. They will last for so long. I might actually give one of these out with the orders. I'll order some myself and maybe give you one with orders over £50 or something. I'll come up with something nice because they're really good. You simply use your pencil, put your pencil on, say this bit here, go in with your blender, and it just blends it out nicely for you and gives that lovely watercolor look. Now you could go in with your paint pen, the water, and I cannot find it from my moved rooms. It has completely disappeared on me. I don't know where it is. Reason why I didn't use it, so bear that in mind. If you have these, it will colour in for you. That was just using the pencil, so we'll move on. This time I have coloured it in using ink. I got one of my glass blocks, put a bit of polished pink ink onto it, and again a wee squirt of water, some ink there, and I just dipped the brush. Started off with the darkest colour there and spread it out as I went, and again this gives you that lovely effect. In fact, with this one I actually started at the back. Once I put the dark colour on, I went back here and did it like this, and I gave lovely wee lines to look like a flower, I thought anyway. Do the same for your leaves. This one now was used Calypso Coral, Daffodil Light and Granny Apple Green blends. Just again start with your darkest in the centre and go in with your lighter colour. With the Stampin' Blends you get 2 colours on each. You buy them as a pair. Used to be you could buy them as singles, but now you have to buy them as pairs, which is excellent for you because there's no guessing in it. You just use, if you're not brilliant at colouring, not confident at colouring, use your dark and go with your light, and it just blends it all together. Really, really easy, and again it's quick. And for the very final one, I just simply stamped it onto a coloured card, and this will match. You tie it in with the same colour in your designer papers, and it'll all look lovely. And just embellish it, you know, add your wee gems and whatever to the centre. So you're getting so much out of your stamp set, and you can do that for each of your flower stamp sets. Layer them up, cut them back. I'm going to work my way through my sets and give you good ideas as to what to do. Now you could go on and on and on. There's so much to do, but work with what you have, and hopefully that'll stretch your stamp set and you get more for your money. It's as simple as that. I mean, you could be making up flowers for people and selling the wee flowers so they could use them simply on their own creation. So it's another wee idea for you all. So that is me. I will be back with lots of samples. I'll have this all in one section in the VIP group, and you'll be able to click and look at it and see what you can make from it, and hopefully it'll help you. And again, remember, you have to the end of October to buy this particular bundle, and it's not even that dear. I will just check the bundle for you. Where are the bundles? Where are you? Embellishments, ribbon, trim, paper. Everything but what I want here. Just stamping accessories. Thought I was leaving my marbles there, couldn't find it at all, but this is it here, Flowers of Friendship bundle. So you save 10% by buying the stamp set and the punch, and it costs just £33.25p, which is really good. If you order this and maybe some card or white card or whatever, add your bundle up to 45, right up to the end of September, you'll be able to pick a lovely free gift from the celebration. So it might go with your while doing that if you're intending to bet. But either way, if you bet, you will get the 3-card kit sent to you. Anyway, so that is me. I'll catch you all again soon. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye.